Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and welcome to Amaya Raine Day. Every month on the third of the month, Dory's Dollies and I host a challenge put out to anybody that would like to join us for Amaya Raine Day. Amaya Raine Day can be any rainbow high or shadow high doll. It does not have to be Amaya, and it certainly does not have to be a 24-inch Amaya. I just really like these dolls and I like showing them off. This month's challenge was or is jeans and heels. And here are my jeans. They might not be the best jeans, but they're the best pair she has right now. And I made her heels to match her shirt. Her shirt is just a piece of fabric that I cut a rectangular piece out of and sewed down the edges, added a couple darts and some Velcro in the back. And I cut some of that fabric and made her shoes. Now, it's going to drive me crazy that they don't match correct, but I still kind of like them. I mean, I think they're kind of cute and they match her shirt, and her shirt is so 70s, and I just love that. Turn her sideways so you can see her heels under her jeans. Dory, this is so much fun. And we, Darren and I and Dory, would like to invite you on the 16th of this month for Dolls Gone Goth, any doll at all, and Hi Barbie on the 18th of the month, every month. But this month's challenge for them is also heels and jeans, or jeans and heels. Thank you for joining us. Please leave a note in our comments and on every page that is, or every channel's page that is participating today. Let them know that you too have a video for jeans and heels so that we can all come subscribe to your channel and see your video. Thank you for participating. Thank you, Dory, and thanks to everyone watching this video. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.